Most of Tuesday was devoted to opening statements, a judge allowing both sides 2 hours to present their cases.
To put it bluntly, this crisis is devastating Oklahoma.
Oklahoma Attorney General Mike Hunter calls the opioid epidemic the worst man-made public health crisis in the history of the state and country. His office is pioneering a lawsuit against Johnson & Johnson. The nation's largest drug maker is accused of using deceptive marketing, downplaying the risks of addiction, and creating an oversupply of painkillers.
We're confident the judge is not going to be distracted by looking at this in the micro. The judge is going to be focused on the big picture here.
The state's first witness in a landmark trial, Dr. Julio Rojas. He described opioid addiction as a vicious cycle. Larry Ottaway, outside counsel for Johnson & Johnson and Janssen, says their products are medically necessary medications.
Those medications were approved and regulated by the FDA, lawfully marketed and licensed to Oklahoma doctors.
Ottaway adds there's zero documentation of addictions or deaths due to an Oklahoma doctor prescribing one of their allegedly misrepresented medications.
And how many would it take for us to be responsible for a nuisance, a public nuisance, even if the theory could be stretched that far?
Attorney General Hunter says the trial is expected to last several weeks, well into the summer. Reporting in Norman, Lily Zhang, Oklahoma's News 4.